Hello world, Dev here. Now, one of the questions that I've been getting every laptop video that I upload is, can I stream with Twitch on this laptop? So I decided today that I'm going to start demonstrating this on every laptop that comes through my channel. So today I have the 2020 HP Omen in front of me. It's the variant with the Ryzen 7 4800H processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. So what that means is, in this video, if I'm able to demonstrate that this laptop can stream to Twitch successfully, if you get this variant or any of the higher models with the RTX 2060 or 2070, for example, then you pretty much have a guarantee that those models, yes, they can do this too. Okay, so in front of me here, I have the HP Omen 15, and on the laptop right now, I do have Streamlabs loaded, and it's connected to a Twitch test account that I have. So we're going to be gaming on the HP Omen 15 today and streaming to that test account. And then after we're done gaming, we're going to take a look at that test Twitch account because I do have the setting on where it saves your broadcast to your channel as VODs. So let's get started. We're going to be playing Valorant today on the HP Omen 15, and then after we're done playing, we're going to watch our broadcast back on my test Twitch channel. Okay, so here Streamlabs is on my HP Omen 15, and I have started my stream and we are live. Let's take a look at how our system resources are doing here. I am using the hardware encoder here, so I am going to be putting the majority of that load onto my GPU. Okay, so it looks like we're using around 15 to 30% range up and down of our NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. Let's see how it handles this once we get into a game. Our GPU usage is still fine. Plenty of RAM here. It's looking good, guys. I'm streaming here using the NVIDIA hardware encoder. I'm getting 140 FPS. Nope, I'm maxing my frame rate. Okay, so I've ended my stream on the HP Omen 15, and I have the setting enabled on my test Twitch account to save the stream after it's concluded to the channel as a VOD. So right here, we're watching the playback as it was seen by our viewers directly from the Twitch channel.
Healing you. Green hug.
One enemy remaining.
Not that good. So as you can see, the HP Omen 15 handled streaming really quite well. But of course, I want you to keep in mind that it all depends on what game you're playing. Every different game puts different types of stress and loads on your system, so you might need to do a little bit of tweaking, before you start a game, depending on whether it's more CPU intensive or it's more GPU intensive. On my desktop, where I have a Ryzen 3900X and RTX 2080, tons of power, even with that kind of build, I still need to tweak my OBS settings from time to time to make sure my stream runs smoothly. So don't expect, picking up any gaming laptop just to have a beautiful streaming solution that just works out of the box with no issues. There's always going to be some tweaking there required, to have that perfect setup. I hope this video showed that with this laptop, yes, you can in fact run a successful Twitch broadcast, and have a good time gaming while at it. So please drop a like if this video helped you out. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'm definitely going to be doing more videos like this for every laptop that comes through this channel. Take a look in the video description down below for a link to my Twitch channel. I'm on there a couple nights a week. You can definitely hit me up there to ask me questions, as well as my Discord server. Thanks again for watching. Dev out.